Hello mga Microtech. So napakagandang umaga na naman po sa ating lahat. So ayan, medyo maulap po tayo. Pero medyo may maganda na good news pa. Meron po tayong good news. So ayan po, dahil doon sa pagbili natin nung February 4 ng Starlink sa Silicon Valley. So para po sa nagtatanong kung nagre-refund din ang Starlink kapag binili po natin siya sa Silicon Valley. Based po dito, nag-message ako sa kanila ng February 16, alas 8:09 PM. So ayan po, nag-message po ako sa kanila. I buy the Starlink last February 4, 2024. Ma'am, sir, how can I avail the discounted price of my newly buy Starlink? Hindi ko lang po alam kung saan ko po ito nakuha. Pero alam ko, nakita ko rin po sa group ito na ganito yung message niya. So ayan po, ngayon pong February 17, 4:56 AM. From Nikki. Ayun po, message ko po, Ronel Villagracia. So from Nikki: hello Ronel, thank you for contacting Starlink support. We have looked over your account and we see that you placed your order just before our latest promotion. We have issued you a service credit for 9,500. We will see this reflected on your next billing. Please note, credit cannot be applied towards balances that are already posted to the account, upgrades, hardware, and other activations. We hope this was helpful. Should you have any additional question or concern, feel free to apply at any time. So it means po, meron po tayong credit of 9,500. Sa halip na babayad po ako ng every month na 2,700. So makatipid po ako dyan ng 9,500. Ayun po, para po sa nagtatanong kung applicable po ba sa Silicon Valley itong refund. So kita nyo naman po sa ating mga vlog, ang atin pong pinagbilahan is sa Silicon Valley. So siguro nag-base sila dun sa pag-activate ko nung ating Starlink. So ayan po, para po sa mga may questions regarding Starlink and Microtech filters, so don't hesitate to message us, and don't forget to follow our page and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So thank you po, and God bless as always.